Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. As usual, we're going to be analyzing the market and we're going to be looking for entry opportunities. All right. So go and get your account ready. If you don't have enough balance in your account, go and fund your account. Okay. So on this live session, what we do is, as I've said earlier, we analyze and we look for scalping opportunities. All right. And if this is your first time of joining us on this live stream, we also have a premium group. All right. We have a premium group where I drop even better signals. All right. So what I mean by better signals is on this session, since we have limited time, okay, the session is just for an hour. So I look for scalping opportunities. We can trade on this session, and then on my premium group, I give out intraday signals. Okay, those are trades you can hold for hours. All right, which don't have to keep an eye on until the market plays out. All right, so to join my premium group, all you have to do is fund on this live stream. All right, and the benefit you get to enjoy is not just the signals, you also get uh, market analysis and market reports. All right, so to join, click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. If you click on it, it will take you to the deposit page. All right, so if you deposit $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 and above, $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay, a live private session. All right, where we'll be able to discuss about forex trading. If you are a beginner, I can teach you how to become a profitable forex trader. If you are an intermediary, you already have maybe like a little experience. I can widen your experience, give you tips and tricks. You can use to make money from the forex market. All right. So guys, go and fund your account. Go and deposit. Make a deposit on this live stream. Okay, so let's go into the activity of today. All right, here we have XAU USD. Right. So I made this analysis earlier. So this is one of the things you'll be getting on the premium group if you join. Okay. So I had similar things like this on my premium group. If you join, this is to give you an insight of what is happening on the market. Okay, what is happening in the market. So right now, as you can see, we have XAUSD, which is the gold market, and you see where I had blocks. Okay, we see where I had blocks and trend lines. So uh, these are areas we are supposed to be looking out to see if opportunities to buy or sell provide itself. Right. Okay. All right, so let's continue. All right, so we are currently on lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Now let's see what's going on the 15 minutes time frame. So we already saw on the higher time frame that the market is bullish. The market is trading to the upside. Right. Let's go back to the 2 hour time frame. You see, so if you were opportune to be on my live session yesterday, so yesterday I gave this strategy I use personally. So I call this strategy break of structure strategy. Okay, a break of structure strategy where I said anytime the market breaks to the upside, the market will always come down, uh, to make a retest and then continue to go up. All right. The same for bearish move also. If the market is trading to the downside, and the market keeps breaking structures, okay, the market will break a structure and then reverse back to the upside to make a retest before it continues to move downwards. So we're going to be using the same strategy here this morning. All right. So as we can see on the from the higher time frame, it's obvious that the gold market is moving to the upside. Okay, the gold market is making a bullish move. So what we should be looking out for now is a buy trade. All right, a buy trade, a buy setup. Right. So this is the current XAUSD movement. So you see, we have price rejecting these areas where I have marked out with my trend lines. Right. So the market, let's start from here. The market came down to this level. Okay, got to this point, reversed all the way to this point. See, so this is our last high, right? Okay, so for this time frame, the 5 minutes time frame, this is our current high, not our last high. Okay, it's our current high. This is our last high. This is our current high. All right, so now to be able to tell if this market is going to continue to trade to the upside, you can use the strategy I taught you guys here yesterday, which is the break of structure strategy, right? Just mark out areas where the market has broken to the upside previously. So we have this, we have the second one here. Right? So here we have a break of structure. Then we have another one here. Okay. So you see, when the market came to this level, what happened? The market broke this level, went up until this area, you see, came back down, but failed to break this level. Okay. So here we have another break of structure to the upside. All right, so now that we have this level, let's see if our current high is breaking this high. Let's see if our current high is breaking our previous high. All right, so you see our current high, which is the current high, is breaking the previous high. And this means the market is going to continue to go bullish. All right, this market is going to continue to go bullish. So what is going to happen here is the market is going to go above this level. Okay, this market will go above this level, right? Do something like this, then come back down to make a retest. Okay, maybe make a retest from a point of interest and then continue to go up. So the only time um, the only time I can start looking for a sell opportunity is if this market, this current movement breaks this low, okay? So if it breaks this low, then the market has changed pattern, all right? And when market change pattern, what happens? When the market change patterns, you look for the opposite of this, okay? You look for the trend of the opposite of this, for the opposite of this rather. All right, so right now, let's look for a buy opportunity on XAUUSD, right? So as I've said, we are currently on 5 minutes time frame. All right. Okay, so the market has gone above our entry point. We can't enter this trade from here, right? So this should have been our entry point, our stop loss here, and our take profit. Since we are scalping, we don't want to go too far, so our take profit maybe around here, right? You see, we would have made profit from this trade here. So the next entry, possible entry, is after the market goes above this level, okay? So when the market goes above this level, um, then we will have a new high. So the market will need to come back to make a retest before it goes up further. All right, that is when we will be looking for the next buying opportunity. All right. So I don't want to say you can sell when the market is coming down, because selling on a bullish market is very risky. Okay, so your chances of winning is very low, and your chances of losing is very high. Right. Okay, so let's make analysis from another instrument since we are not getting opportunity on XAUUSD. All right, let's go to BtcUSDT. Let's start with the higher time frame. All right, who remember this analysis from yesterday? Yeah, we made this analysis here live yesterday, and see what the market did. This is BtcUSDT. So the market went as predicted. All right, the market went exactly as predicted. So, but the reason why we didn't place this trade yesterday was because of the volatility. Okay, we didn't place the trade because of the volatility. BTC, in fact, the crypto instruments are very volatile. All right. So we made the analysis from 1 hour time frame, and I said our stop loss will be here, and that's too much for for people that are having lesser accounts. So let's say you are having $10 account, and you are setting a stop loss of say like $8. You know, it's not reasonable here. So that's not a good risk. That was why we discarded this setup yesterday. But you see, the market went as predicted. All right, let's see if we can continue to ride this to the downside. And I remember saying if the market rejects from this area, it's going to go down further for a while. Yeah. So let's make fresh analysis for this trade because I'm seeing a pattern. I'm seeing a bearish pattern right now. Okay, so here on BTC USDT 15 minutes time frame, we have a change of character. Okay, we have a change of market direction, right? So this is a confirmation that the market will continue to sell further, right? It means the market is going to continue to drop down. So let's go down to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can get an entry for this. You see, with this scalping strategy of mine, you hardly go wrong, right? So this is why you need to fund your account. Let's have the one-on-one session, okay? Fund your account with at least $200. Let's have a one-on-one conversation, right? Let me guide you through how you can become a forex professional. All right, how you can start making money from the forex market. See, so all I need to do is just draw lines, right? So I drew this line just to confirm that the market was heading to the upside here, and here I have multiple breakup structures. You see, let me start from here. I have this first one where market broke to the upside. See, this is my number one breakup structure. And then I have the second one here. So the more the breakup structure, the better for our confirmation, all right? And then I have this last one, which I labeled X previously. Let's change that. Let's change it to BOS, break of structure. And then we have the market reversing from here, okay, refusing to go up further. So this was our last low before the market went below it. Right, so if we draw a line on our last low now, you see the market went below it, which means the market reversed from this level. Okay, so now we are expecting this market to go down further, right? So what I'll be looking out for here now is this. You see, right? So when the market gets to this point, I want to see a candle formation for my confirmation. I want to see a candle formation. So I want to see a candlestick formation, preferably a rejection candle. Okay, a rejection candle, a bearish engulfing candle, something like this. Okay. All right. So this is our setup for BTC USDT. All right. So this is the 5 minutes time frame, and hopefully the market uh, come up to this level before the end of our session. All right. So let's make analysis on another instrument since we already have an analysis here. Okay. So we are currently on Ethereum USDT, and I've said this before. I said Ethereum and BTC are like brothers. Okay. So whatever BTC is doing, Ethereum also, sometimes in most cases will also be doing the same. So right now you see the movement we have here is similar to what we have on BTC USDT. Yeah. So we have this market structure, this market movement. You see, from here to this level, we have a bullish move. Okay. So now let's draw out our point of interest, which is our break of structures, right? You see, this strategy is very easy. Okay. It's one of the most simplest strategy I've ever come across. So all you have to do is just draw out the break of structures. So what this basically do is it guides you, tell you the market direction. If the market has made any sudden move, okay. All right. So you see, we have break of structure here, even though it's broke out here with just a week, right? And then here we have a solid break of structure. We have another solid break of structure here. Then when the market got to this level, this high, you see, the market started, refusing to go up further. So instead, the market made a bearish move to this level, right? So, and as you can see here, the market also failed to break uh, the structures below. Okay. So when the market is breaking a structure to the upside, when the market is creating higher highs, the market will also be creating what we call higher lows. All right. So from here, the market failed That was how we got this move. What we were expecting is when the market came down to this level, we want the market to go up, okay, break this high, and then give us another bearish move, right? But what happened? The market failed to break the bullish, right? So when it got to this point, it just went up a bit and then came back down to break our previous low, right? So I can use this as our low because the market never went up, okay? The market didn't go above this level. So this is our low. This is the low that created this high, all right? This low doesn't have any high. Rather, this low has a lower high, you see? The market started coming down from here, all right? So here we have a change of character. The market started making a bearish move. So now what we're expecting here is for the market to go down further, all right? So we are looking for areas where the market, had made retest. Okay, so we have this one, we have this. So what you can do is you can't be too sure of your entries, but you can mark out areas where you think the market will reverse from. All right, so we have this first level here. Right, we have that first level there. We have this. So what you're looking for when the market gets to these areas is you want to see, you want to a market, maybe a candlestick pattern, right? You want to wait for a candle formation that is going to confirm a bearish move, okay? So, but if the market goes above this level, then the market would, possibly come to this area here where we have this fair value gap. So we have our first fair value gap here. So guys, if you want to get a full tutorial on this, just subscribe to my premium group, all right? Fund your account with at least $200 so we can have a one-on-one session, okay? And let me tell you, if you fund your account, you are using one stone to kill two birds, okay? Because the money you are funding is going into your trading wallet, all right? So you still be opening position with the money. When you make profit, your normal trading fund, all right? So basically, you are all the benefits you get to enjoy when you fund your account are free, all right? All right. You see, this is why analysis is better than indicators, all right? So you see here, I have an indicator called the moving average, and it's giving me a conflicting confirmation and the confirmation of a buy trade, and it's going against what I have here, okay? So if you are the type that uses indicator, you see, you'll be buying from here without realizing that we have other blocks above, okay? So that is why you see when the market starts reversing from, levels like this, um, you start getting confused. What is going on? I took the trade, I got this confirmation, and it's not working out fine. If you want to gain the experience, just fund on the live stream, okay? Click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So when you click on it, it will take you to the deposit page where you can fund your account. If you deposit $10 into your account, you'll be eligible to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15, $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a private live session with me. All right. All right. So no current entry opportunity on Ethereum USDT. Let's check our BTC USDT. Right. The same here. Okay. Let's move further. All right. All right. So we have BNB USDT. This is Bitcoin. Sorry, Binance Coin against the United States Tether. Okay. So you see, the crypto instruments are similar in nature. All right. So when their father is making a move, the others also, will follow. So when BTC is making a move, other crypto instruments uh, would want to do the same. All right. So here we have BNB USDT, and as you can see, this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I think we should make fresh analysis on this trade. The analysis on it was from yesterday. All right. All right. So if this market close below this box, then we might have a bearish move on BNB USDT. Okay, but this is the 1 hour time frame. So and then we still have about 24 minutes thereabouts to the end of this current candle. All right. Okay. So there's scarcity of entry opportunities on the crypto instruments. All right. Let's go to the forex instruments. Let's start with AUD CAD. All right. We have AUD CAD on 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening on AUD CAD. All right. So I'll start by plotting my trend line. That's my upper trend line. And then I can have my lower trend line. All right, so on the 2 hour time frame, you see the market has made some bearish moves. It started from here, came down to this level, gave us another high here. See, came all the way down to this level, gave a high, and refused to break this low. All right, so let's see what's going on here. Let's see why the market has refused to break this low. Okay. So from here to this area, from this point to this point, the market came down. All right, remember this is the 2 hour time frame. So we are currently on the higher time frame and we want to scalp on the lower time frame. So we can make our analysis to align with the lower time frames. All right. So let's see what happened here. Right, so here we had a break of structure to the downside. See, the market broke down to the here. It came down to this level, gave us this high. Okay. So when the market got here, what happened? You see, the market was broken. So we had another break of structure to the downside here. Right? We have two break of structures to the downside. And then, so instead of the market to come back to maybe this area and then go back down again, what happened? The market decided to break the previous low, the previous high, sorry. Right? So the market failed to make a retest here. Instead, the market broke to the upside. So here we have a change of character. So, and as I said from the beginning, I said anywhere we have, market directions like this, what happens? The market would want to reverse. All right. So let's see, is the market reversing? Okay, so the market sold to this level. The market sold to this level, and all right, so right now we can't be too sure because we also have another point of interest here. And we are currently on 2 hour time frame. All right, from here, let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what's currently going on. Okay. So we have a break of structure here. The market violated the high. Okay. Sorry, the market violated, yes, the market violated this high, this lower high. Okay. So instead of creating another lower high to go down, the market broke above it instead. So what we're expecting is for the market to go down, look for entries around this zone, and then buy. And that is exactly what happened here. Okay. So the market went down to a level of support and start buying. All right. So here we also have a zone. Let's see if this market is going to respect this zone and continue to sell to the downside, or if it's going to respect this zone and probably maybe break structure to the upside. All right. So if this market doesn't break this level above, this is what I'm expecting the market to do from here. I'm expecting this market to come to this level. Okay, so when it gets here, I expect something like this to happen. All right. So this low here is our take profit. So this is our analysis on AUDCAD. Okay. So the market uh, turned to bullish from this level, and we already know what happened and why the market start to buy from this level, right? So, but for our own small opportunity, we want the market to come back here, where we have this minor break of structure to the upside. We want the market to come back here and give us a small retracement. Okay, I don't want to call it a reversal because the overall trend here right now is still a bearish trend. Okay, but what we have here is telling us that the market is going to go up further. All right, but until the market breaks this high, until the market violates this our recent high, the market is still bearish. All right, so that is how the opportunity here, the analysis here came about. Right, when the market gets into this box, I'm expecting the market to sell to the downside. Okay, so even if it's not going to sell for long, I expect the market to come back into this uh, lower time frame low. Okay, this is our higher time frame low. Okay, this is our lower time frame low. Right. So you see, as a forex trader, you need to be able to make analysis and make good decisions. All right. So I'm not saying as a forex analyst, you'll be able to make decisions that is going to go right 100%. Right. But you need to be able to make at least the one that will be accurate 70%. Okay. So if you join my premium group, if you fund up to $200 on this live stream by clicking on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. If you fund up to $200, you have that session where we will be able to discuss about the strategy further. Okay. So even though we haven't gotten an entry, but you see how we've made analysis up to this point where we have this. Okay. So I don't want to take this because this is a minor move. It's not going to last for long. Okay. And we got it on the 15 minutes time frame. So if we had seen this from the lower time frame, let's say the 5 minutes time frame, yeah, we could have scalped this to maybe this level, right? See, so all of these pips would have been ours. Right. But my entry point is still around this area. Okay, my entry point is still around this area. In fact, I would prefer the market come to this level before I take my sell entry. Okay, I'm more comfortable with this than this. All right, let's make analysis on. Okay, let's go down to popular forex instruments. Let's analyze. Let's start with Euro GBP. Okay, Euro GBP. So I made this analysis yesterday, and so now you see the market is still respecting. Okay, the market has even, you see, the market hit TP here on this level. Okay, our TP1. All right, let's make fresh analysis. Let's see if the market is going to continue to go up. Then we can set a buy entry, a buy order for this. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to make analysis because of our limited time, right? I'm not going to make much explanation on this. If you want to get further explanations, go and fund your account. Okay. Okay, so we have a market. We have a candlestick rejecting this solar block here, which is this candlestick, right? And then we also have this trend line. You see, it's disrupting the movement of this trend, right? It's disrupting this movement after the market came all the way here to hit our resistance level, right? So now, before I place a sell trade for this, I would want the market to go below. Okay, I want the market to close below my trend line. Okay, I want it to close below my lower trend line. So this is my lower trend line. So if this current candle closes below this level, we are going to place our sell trade for Euro GBP. Right, so we have less than 6 minutes to the end of this current candle. Let's quickly make analysis on another instrument before the end of the candle. Okay. Euro USD. Okay, let's go down to the lower time frame. Okay, we are currently on the 5 minutes time frame, and this is our point of interest. All right, so we have about 2 minutes to the end of the candle. Uh, so when the candle closes, let's check out our setups. Okay, guys. So, I mean, the time is already against us. So that will be all for today. Um, so enjoy the rest of your day, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get a better entry opportunity. All right. So enjoy the rest of your day, and bye for now.